crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will learn to crochet, single crochet, double crochet and half double crochet. These three techniques are very basic technique which used in crochet. It will help you in this journey. In our previous video we learned about crochet hooks, different types of crochet hooks and how to hold the hook and how to hold yarn, how to do split knot and magical circle. If you are new to this channel, please go and check out this video. The link is in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. You will learn many beautiful crochet techniques with the simple instruction in this channel. Come, let's learn basic crochet technique. Begin with single crochet. Do split knot and chain 20. Just for showing you, I am doing chain 20 here. We learned how to do chains and how to do split knot very detailedly in our previous video. If you are new to this channel, please go and check out that video. After doing chain 20, do one chain extra. From here, we are going to skip one chain from hook and insert the hook on the second chain. Here, inside the hook on the second chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loop like this, pull through both the loop. That's it. We did our first single crochet. Now again I am showing you inside the hook on the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop, yarn over, pull through both the loop. Inside the hook on the third chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through two loops. Yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have two loops, yarn over, pull through two loops. Note each and every steps I am showing in this video, and note how I am inserting the hook, how I am holding the yarn, how I am pulling the loop. We did our 20 single crochet here. Very simple now. We got our beautiful stitches upward. If you want to work another row, you can work on the stitches. Now we are going to do fasten off our yarn. Chain 1, leave some yarn uncut, pull this yarn, pull the chain downwards like that. That's it, we got our secure knot. We learned to do single crochet and fasten off our yarn. Now we learn how to do double crochet here, split stitch and do again 20 chains here. After 20 chains, do 3 chains extra. Now from hook, skip 3 chains and inside the hook on the 4th chain. Before inserting our yarn, look, yarn over one time. Now insert the hook on the 4th chain from the hook. Now yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Now look again, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. That's it. Now again we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. That's it. This is our double crochet stitch. Showing you again, yarn over, inside the hook on the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. Again yarn over, inside the hook on the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over, pull through another 2 loops. That's it. Like this we want to work our double crochet stitch throughout the chain. Look how our double crochet stitch like this work all over this chain. We did our double crochet stitch. How easy it is now. It's our back side and front side. We got our beautiful stitches upward. Compared to single crochet, double crochet it has an more density. Now first turn off our yarn, chain 1, leave some yarn and cut the yarn, pull this and pull the chain downwards. That's it. We learned to do double crochet. Now we're going to learn half double crochets, split stitch, again chain 20. After 20 chains, do 2 chains extra here. Half double crochet is also similar to double crochet. Now yarn over, inside the hook on the 3rd chain from the hook. On the 3rd chain, now yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Here carefully look here, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. That's it. We got our half double crochet. Yarn over, inside the hook on the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. That's it. Yarn over, inside the hook on the next chain, yarn over, pull a loop. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. Like this only we are going to work our half double crochet throughout this foundation chain. The only difference between double crochet and half double crochet is pulling the loop all together is half double crochet, pulling loops 2 by 2 is double crochet. Look our the half double crochet stitch. It has a little more density than single crochet. Now we're going to fasten off our stitch. Chain 1, leave some yarn, cut and pull this yarn and pull this chain downwards. That's it, we got our secured knot. In compared to all the stitches, single crochet it has a less density, half double crochet it has a more density than single crochet and less density than double crochet. Double crochet it has a more density than single crochet and half double crochet. These three stitches are most basic stitches used in crochet. Single crochet are most commonly used in amigurumis and double crochets are more commonly used in stitches and granny squares. We also learned the pattern symbol name detailedly in our previous video. You can also go and check out this video. The link is given in the description box below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If your friend like to learn crochet, please share this video with them. Thank you for watching.